Hey friends, it's Eric McKenna, your personal realtor with RE/MAX Advanced Realtors and calleric.com, and I'm back with another quick McKenna minute or two. And today we have a seller's tip, and something that seems obvious, but I want to bring it to your attention, and that is lawn care. If you're getting ready to sell your house or you have your house listed, it's imperative that you keep your lawn tidy, and I really mean that. And I want to expand it a little bit to your hedges. Keep your hedges edged and nice. It's a huge part of your curb appeal, and sometimes that can help you overcome other issues with curb appeal that you can't do anything about. Maybe the proximity to the road or your corner lot or some other potential challenge you have. Keeping your yard great helps you sell. If it's too much for you, find a lawn service. Talk to your realtor. Talk to me here if you're in Pittsburgh. Get a good lawn service for a month, 2 or 3 until your house sells. Some of the best money you can spend. If you need mulch, if you need the hedges trimmed, you have small pine trees, you want them trimmed, you want to do the very best you can, put your very best foot forward with all buyers and agents that come to see the house. The lawn matters. And heaven forbid, if you already have it listed and you have an open house, you gotta make sure that the lawn looks great, and that goes for the hedges and the mulch and the landscaping and so forth. Some of the best money you can possibly invest. I'm here today at an open house, and the owner did a phenomenal job and continues to do a phenomenal job on the lawn and the hedges and the grounds. It's wonderful. It's part of the whole presentation. Do not forget to mow your lawn. Do not forget to trim your hedges or take care of your grounds and take care of your landscaping. If you need help, get it. It's the best money you can spend. Have a professional come in and do it. Have them mow on a regular basis. I do. I never look back. It's the best way to go. Again, this is your personal realtor, Eric McKenna, with RE/MAX Advanced Realtors and calleric.com with another tip. We're here to be of service. If I can help you, 412-613-4466. Call or text me. And until next time, God bless.